So my background is basil cardstock. And this is my niece's. They built a snowman and then put the lawnmower there to make it look like he's mowing the lawn. Or he's mowing the snow. And then I have Patton and Theo in my way. Yes. Oh, sorry. Like I said, I could kick him off and he's just going to come back. He finds scrapbooking fun. I know. So the snowman layer is from Crepe Paper Snowflake. I used this on a previous layout. And my photo mat is Crepe Paper Snowflake called Winterscapes. All right, Reese. Is it that bad? Die cuts? What? Die cuts are from Hipkit Club So Frosty exclusive die cut packs. What are you doing? Stop doing that. All right. So the white stars, yeah, those are chipboard. They'll come from the chipboard. And then I'm thinking about using these vellum snowflakes. I know these. Now they use attacking poor Patton. Alright, so I stopped the camera so I could clear it up. But of course, he doesn't stay away long. Like I said, he's always there. When I take a shower, he's in the bathroom. He goes to the bathroom with me. Is your nail stuck? Get your nail out of my chair. I know, Reezy. Theo is just always there, isn't he? So I'm just going down my die cuts. And then my title is really long. And I do use a Love This sticker, which is from the Make-A-Wish kit in November. He's just going to go to sleep, Reese, so just ignore him, okay? You can ignore him. And he loves the packaging, so that's what he's trying to do. So, warning, at is American Crafts Honey and Spice Stickers. Then Snowman is Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish exclusive puppy stickers. And Work is American Crafts Simplicity stickers. So once I get my title down, that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.